Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account from another devices. First, open the Safari on your iPhone. In the address bar, go to myaccount.google.com. Once you are logged in, tap Security option. Scroll down until you see selection called your devices. When you find the devices, tap on it, then tap Sign Out. A message will pop up asking you to confirm. Tap Sign Out again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.